Replacing or installing new windows in your Loves Park home can be an exciting upgrade, improving both the aesthetics and energy efficiency of your property. However, window installation is a major home improvement project that requires proper planning and preparation. To ensure a smooth and successful window installation, it's important to take a few simple steps ahead of time. Whether you're replacing old windows or installing new ones, here's how you can prepare your home for a window installation project in Loves Park. Clear the area around your windows before the installation team arrives. It's essential to clear the area around your windows. This means removing furniture, decor, or any items that might obstruct the installer's ability to work efficiently. Clear out the windowsills and make sure there is nothing in the way that could get damaged or be difficult for the installers to work around. This step is particularly important for windows located near furniture, curtains, or drapes. For safety reasons, make sure to also remove any fragile or valuable items from the vicinity of the windows. This helps protect your belongings and ensures the installers can move freely around the area without the risk of knocking over anything. Cover furniture and floors. Even though the installation team will do their best to minimize dust and debris, some mess is inevitable during a window installation project. It's a good idea to cover your furniture with plastic sheets or old blankets to protect them from dust, dirt, or accidental scratches. If the windows you're replacing are in a room with carpet, use drop cloths or plastic sheeting to protect the floors as well. Make sure that any valuable or delicate items are covered or removed from the area to avoid damage. This extra precaution will help keep your home clean and safeguard your belongings throughout the installation process. Ensure clear access to the work area. Window installation can involve the use of ladders, scaffolding, or other equipment to access the windows, especially if they are on higher floors or have unique designs. To make the installers work easier and faster, ensure there is a clear path to the work areas. Move any obstacles such as vehicles, garden tools, or outdoor furniture away from the exterior of your home. If there are any large plants, bushes, or trees near the windows, consider trimming them back to give installers easy access to the window frames. This is especially important for windows located on the second floor or in hard-to-reach areas. The more accessible the work area is, the quicker and more efficiently the installation can proceed. Communicate any specific requests or concerns before the installation begins. Take some time to communicate with the window installation team about any specific requests or concerns you may have. For example, if there are certain features of your new windows you'd like to highlight, such as energy-efficient glass or special framing, make sure the installers are aware. If you're concerned about noise or the possibility of dust in certain areas of your home, let the installation team know ahead of time so they can take extra care. You should also mention any scheduling concerns, like if there are times when you need a quieter environment or if certain rooms will be off limits during the installation. Prepare for noise and disruption. Window installation can be a noisy process, especially if old windows need to be removed first. Expect to hear banging, drilling, and the sound of tools during the day. This can be disruptive, so it's a good idea to prepare for some noise, particularly if you work from home or have young children who are sensitive to loud sounds. Consider scheduling the installation for a time when you can be away from the house or plan for quieter activities during the day. If possible, plan to stay out of the area where the installation is happening, especially if you have children or pets. Taking these steps will help minimize the stress and discomfort of living through a noisy installation process. Secure pets and children. During a window installation project, it's important to keep children and pets safe from potential hazards. The installation process often involves ladders, power tools, and debris, so it's safest to keep children and pets out of the work area. For the safety of everyone involved, set up a designated play area or space where pets and kids can stay while the work is being done. If your pets are particularly anxious or sensitive to noise, consider arranging for a pet sitter or taking them out of the house for a portion of the day. Likewise, inform your children about the project so they understand that there may be noise and workers in the house. Double-check the installation date and timing. Once you've cleared the work area and prepared your home, double-check the date and time of your window installation. Make sure you're aware of the installation team's arrival time so you can be prepared and available to answer any questions they may have. If there's a specific time window for the installation, plan to be at home or arrange to have a family member available to coordinate the process. Confirming the details of the installation will help ensure that everything goes according to plan, and it can save you time and stress on the day of the project. Plan for cleanup. After the installation is complete, there will likely be some cleanup to do. Although the installation team will typically remove old windows and dispose of any debris, there may still be dust or small remnants that need to be swept up. Have cleaning supplies ready to quickly address any leftover mess. If you prefer not to handle the cleanup yourself, check with your window installation company to see if they offer post-installation cleanup services. Conclusion. Preparing your home for a window installation project in Loves Park involves more than just selecting the right windows. It requires planning and organization to ensure a smooth and efficient process. By clearing the work areas, protecting your furniture, communicating with the installation team, and securing children and pets, you can help make the project as stress-free as possible. Proper preparation ensures that your new windows are installed quickly and efficiently, adding value, energy efficiency, and beauty to your home for years to come.